I'm very blessed. Madam Ida Ujinga, who is my friend, told me that there's a school named in her honor here in Ugunja. And then a very able member of parliament told me that there is a dining hall which has been constructed using the city funds here, that I should come to officially open it. And that's why I'm here. I have been with my friend Raila Ujinga for many years. We are going to celebrate our golden jubilee this year, 50 years living together. It has not been 50 years of hell. I want to say it has been 50 years of pleasure. But through her, I've learned a lot of things about girl-child education. She's very, very passionate about girl-child education. She's been one of the prime advocates of girl-child education. And I am a convert. I am very much dedicated also because of her, not only because of her, but Jessica, because of humanity. That we must empower our young girls to be able to acquire knowledge, because knowledge is power. And if you give the young girls an opportunity to acquire knowledge, you empower them to be able to face the rigors of life. So I am very much a strong supporter to ensure that our young girls are protected and enabled to acquire proper education. I know you have a bright future.